So if you want to see someone else likes in the Instagram, this video will be pretty helpful for you, because today and now I will show you how to do this. So make sure that you've downloaded the app, so open it. And recently there was the ability to see it into our notifications, but now it's impossible. So the only one way to see likes or activity is just to open someone's profile. For example, I would like to see who liked the video or post from Evgeny, and all we need is just to open our posts and go to click on likes. So here we can see all the people who liked his post. Unfortunately, and this is the one way how can we find someone else likes, because if you don't have the ability to open the profile of person you want to see, it will be impossible for you, just only in this way. But if you want to see all the posts you've liked, you just need to go to your profile, then click on this free more button, go to your activity, go to interactions, and then go to likes. So here we can see all the posts we liked or something like that. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. So if it is, please write your comment, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!